Welcome to Thailand, the land of smiles. Join us on a breathtaking aerial journey as we explore the hidden gems and stunning landscapes of this tropical paradise from above. From the dense, emerald jungles of the north, teeming with wildlife and natural beauty, to the idyllic, sun-kissed beaches in the south, Thailand's diverse landscapes offer a visual feast for the senses. Marvel at the intricate architecture of Thailand's ancient temples, where spirituality and artistry come together in perfect harmony. Each temple tells a story of the rich cultural heritage and deep-rooted traditions that define this nation. Experience the dynamic cityscape of Bangkok, a metropolis that seamlessly blends the old with the new. As the sun sets, witness the city transform into a vibrant hub of activity, with its dazzling lights and bustling streets. Discover the unique charm of Thailand's floating markets, a colorful spectacle of boats laden with fresh produce, exotic fruits, and local delicacies. These markets are a testament to Thailand's rich culinary culture and community spirit. Travel back in time as we soar over the ancient ruins of Ayutthaya, once the bustling capital of the Kingdom of Siam. These historical sites stand as a testament to Thailand's glorious past and architectural brilliance. Glide over the verdant rice terraces of northern Thailand, where the rhythmic patterns of the fields reflect the harmonious relationship between the Thai people and their land. These terraces are not only stunning but also vital to the region's agricultural heritage. Relax and unwind at the world-famous Phi Phi Islands, where turquoise waters meet white sandy beaches, creating a picture-perfect paradise. The stunning limestone cliffs and crystal-clear waters make it a haven for divers and beach lovers alike. As our journey comes to an end, we are treated to a serene sunset over the Andaman Sea, a moment of pure tranquility that encapsulates the timeless beauty of Thailand. Thank you for joining us on this aerial adventure. We hope you enjoyed this unique perspective of Thailand's breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. Subscribe to our channel for more stunning drone footage from the most beautiful places around the world.